Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you valuable insights on financial compliance and regulations. Today, we're diving into a critical topic: stress testing the financial forecast for FCA authorization. So, whether you're a compliance director, business owner, or simply interested in the financial regulatory landscape, this video is for you. You may want to link up with us. Because of our winning formula, we are taking off and going places. This is video 19 of 20. You may want to buy the ebook that goes with part of the series, Mastering Financial Forecasts for Your FCA Application, a step-by-step guide. See the details in the description below. Importance of stress testing in the financial forecast. When submitting an application for FCA authorization, providing a robust financial forecast is essential. This isn't just a base case. You're expected to also present 2 additional stress-tested scenarios. Stress testing helps demonstrate your firm's resilience under various adverse conditions, be it increased competition, recession, or natural disasters. What to include in the RBP, Regulatory Business Plan. The RBP should articulate your financial model clearly. This includes detailed and summary tables for profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. The assumptions for each case should be well documented. Remember, clarity is crucial, not just for you but also for the FCA case officer assessing your application. Capital requirements. Regulatory capital requirements are pivotal. The minimum requirement varies depending on the type of firm. For example, authorized payment institutions start at £20,000, while personal investment firms are a minimum of £75,000 under IFPR. Assessing the adequacy of your capital resources is a two-way street, involving both the firm and the regulator. If you're finding this content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Liquid capital requirement. Liquid capital is another essential factor. Firms must hold core liquid assets equal to 1/3 of their fixed overhead and 1.6% of the total guarantees provided to clients. These guidelines are stringent but serve to ensure that the firm is capable of withstanding financial strains. Conclusion. Stress testing your financial forecast and understanding capital requirements are integral parts of applying for FCA authorization. Your RBP should be comprehensive, detailing your financial tables and underlying assumptions. These aspects not only demonstrate your firm's robustness but also its capability to operate soundly in the financial market. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you find this information valuable. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching. For more insights into financial compliance and regulations, stay tuned to our channel. And that wraps up today's topic. See you in the next video. Remember that we are going places, and unless you want to be a very small account of a major compliance consultancy, ending up with less than senior assistants and perhaps being treated in a formulaic way, come and speak to us. It's free to talk for an initial discussion and could save you thousands of pounds. Call us on UK 0800 689 0190 or international +4420 7097 1434 or email info@complianceconsultant.org. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Always consult professionals for your specific needs. We look forward to seeing you in the last of the series, covering the capital requirements to be included in your RBP.